Forest Days is an experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers. This place is perfect for a couple getaway or a fun family holiday. This magic place allows you to pause and enjoy the moment without rushing. So let's share this moment together. Each old-fashioned tent is named after a famous adventurer and has a wood hot dry toilet. Masses of space around, so you won't see anybody else unless you wish to. Everything slows down to the rhythm of nature in forest camping, and the experience of cooking couldn't be different. The forest kitchen is equipped with a gas barbecue, gas hobs, and a washing up area. Outdoor furniture handmade from the forest's own wood, hammocks and hanging stays to while away the day. We are driving to the very beautiful lake. The lake is just 10 minutes drive from the camp. As 10 minutes walk down the hill, there is a little river for rocky walls and trees. We enjoy the central area where they will simply cook a romantic meal for us too. We were the only one couple who just stayed in camp this weekend, so everything was for the two of us. We get to fall asleep and wake up to the sound of nature, a serenely beautiful tent full kitted out with comfy linens. The tents are positioned across the woodland and field, so each one has its own private space and secluded atmosphere, making this experience the perfect romantic escape. In this space, you can charge your gadgets, browse through some old books, or find information about local activities or good restaurants in the area.